Chelmsford City Council takes great pride in making Chelmsford City a clean and green place to live, work and visit. You may have seen the recycling and waste collection vehicles, the street sweepers and the cleaning operatives, but where does this massive operation begin?
Welcome to Freighter House, under Chelmsford City Council's recycling, waste and street care services. Now, Rome wasn't built in a day, and with over 72,000 properties, neither was Chelmsford.
Nearly every day you'll be able to see a waste to recycling collection or street care activity to help maintain our clean streets and look after our environment. Every year we recycle over 25,000 tonnes of material in Chelmsford.
Recycling is important for a number of reasons. Firstly, recycling saves energy. When we create a product from new, we have to extract raw material from the earth through mining and forestry, which creates substantial air and water pollution. When we recycle, used materials are converted into new products. This reduces the need to consume natural resources. For example, all of our new street signs are recycled from plastic, like these. In Chelmsford, household residents have a selection of boxes and bags to recycle their waste material. By separating them, the material is of the highest quality, which means 100% is recycled. It is recycled in the UK where possible, and we receive top prices for the material, which helps pay for council services. Chelmsford City Council offers an alternative recycling collection to those residents living in flats. We'll provide you with a bag to help you carry your materials to the bin store.
When material is sent to landfill, it rots down and creates a harmful gas called methane, the main contributor to global warming, and landfill space is quickly running out. With this, the tax to bury waste increases every year at a huge cost to councils and taxpayers, so it is more important than ever to recycle everything we can.
So what's it like to work on the front line? Let's meet some of the familiar faces who collect your waste and recycling.
How long have you worked at Chelmsford City Council for?
1 year.
Okay, and do you enjoy it?
I love it.
Yeah, what's your role?
Driver, loader, answer questions when I'm asked questions.
Do you meet lots of people on your round? Do you get familiar with your customers?
Yeah, quite a few, all asking questions. What happens to the food waste? Is it recycled? Is it dumped? And you tell them it's all recycled and tell them where you go. Right, they're glad they asked.
How long have you worked at Chelmsford City Council?
I have worked here 11 years now.
Okay, and what made you decide to come into this line of work in the first place?
Well, it was just by chance, really, because I joined the agency just looking for sort of work wherever I could, and then they sent me here, and then after a couple of years being here, I found myself a full-time job, so...
And enjoying it?
Yeah, loving it.
Are you familiar with most of your customers?
Yes, we are, especially now we've got a new round, we're getting to know people a lot more than what we did previously. We've made friends with a few dogs as well, so that always keeps the customers happy.
Hi Lenny, how long have you worked at the council for?
34 years.
Oh my gosh, and what got you into the job in the first place?
My dad worked there and my uncles, four uncles worked there.
So how long did your dad work here for?
47 years.
And then is the family still working here?
Not now, no, they're all retired now, so I'm the last one, last of the line.
Keeping it going. What do you enjoy most about the job?
Like members of the public, some of them come out and they're completely bamboozled by everything, and they ask a couple of questions and they go away really happy. So meeting different people have got loads of different questions, so they don't understand where any of it goes when it comes here, and you can sort of tell them what happens to it all. People are interested.
The Murphy's a material recovery facility. It allows us to process the cans and plastics that come in off the collections of household waste and allow us to recycle it into the individual types of plastic or aluminium cans or steel cans. Each week we produce about 30 bales of plastic. Bottle bales have approximately 20,000 bottles in them. We also produce about 30 bales of aluminium and steel per week. Each of those has about 17,000 cans.
We have just over 200 staff working at Freighter House. We just don't deal with recycling, we also deal with waste collection service. We also have a commercial, or what is known as a trade waste collection service. We have our own vehicle workshops, and we carry out taxi inspections, and we're a registered MOT testing site. So that means we can offer MOTs to the general public. We carry out a curbside collection service rather than a commingled collection service because it provides for a better quality of recycling. Things like cans and plastics go through our material recycling facility, which is a recent investment made by Chelmsford City Council. And we find that the product that we produce at the end of it, our bales, are in great demand by the processors. And obviously any monies or for sales that we get is then taken back into the council, which then goes towards part funding the recycling service. The future is to continually increase the amount that we recycle and reduce what we send to landfill. And obviously, in regards to Streetcare, to continually monitor and improve our Streetcare services.
For materials that cannot be recycled using our collection services, please take them to your local recycling centre for household waste. We have 2 sites in Chelmsford, one off of the Boreham interchange and the other is in Southwold and Ferrers.
Each week, over 8,000 litter bins are serviced and over 260,000 individual household collections are made. This is a huge operation, and without the commitment and hard work of our staff and crews, this could not be achieved.
Chelmsford City Council has always been committed to listening to our local people in shaping their areas and the services that we provide. By reducing what we throw away and recycling more, we can maintain a cleaner and more sustainable environment for Chelmsford.
For further information on recycling and waste, please visit our website at chelmsford.gov.uk or contact us by email or phone.